I feel the course has completely shifted my perspective on what leadership is, on what management is, and what influence is. And it's also shifted my perspective on myself. I now look at leadership in a completely different way and see the effect that it can and should and could have on others around me. I'm fairly new to a senior leadership role and hadn't previously done any sort of course on management or leadership before. Other participants on the course were the complete opposite and had many, many years of senior leadership roles and had done various courses on management and leadership. The interesting thing is, I think that all participants coming through the course can really feel that they took something substantive away from it. The way the course itself is structured, it has various components, and those different components have lots of space in between them. And as such, that allows the participant themselves to drive forward the direction of learning, of coaching, of discovery, if you like. And this enables one course to benefit a number of different people of different backgrounds, some clinical, some not, and in different job roles, specs. To be brutally honest, I think this course was exhausting and incredibly hard work. Because maybe not in hours and in essays and things like this, but in the way if you go on this course, you will be asked questions that others will ask you that you may not have been asked before, and you may not have occurred to ask yourself before. And of course, that can be quite a grueling exercise. But that is where the origins of any revelations come. It's tremendously worthwhile experience. Everyone who reaches the end of the course, we all have learnt something different and something practical and something useful. But all of us, I think, had a feeling that we were looking to the future with excitement more than looking to our recent accomplishments. It definitely feels like it gives you a springboard and some devices or some questions, some outlooks to change your future. I'd like to say that the course itself has a culture and atmosphere of openness and of honesty and of respect. And this is something that I perhaps wasn't fully expecting to be so apparent on going into the course. As a participant, you're with other people you may know some before, you may not, and there'll be of all different backgrounds of roles, and there's a tremendous amount of respect between participants. There's tremendous openness and honesty that allows for real in-depth discussion, and it feels like a rare treat that this is not a situation that readily arises in day-to-day practice or day-to-day work.